Okay, you guys, today we're at the Mesm in Tokyo, Japan. This is the chapter 1 guest room with garden and city view. It's actually a really nice hotel, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the details later, but look at this bathroom. Bathroom is really nice. I don't even really know how to describe it, but look how nice it is. Over here you have a walk-in shower connected with a bathtub. Everything's glass, like you can look straight through to the room. Nice sized bathtub. Over here, we passed something over here. Oh, look, we got a little bear right here, Tokyo waves. When you go this way, you can slide this open over here. And there's the toilet room. I didn't even know that was there. Let's open the door. As you go this way, you have your closet. It's actually a really big closet. I didn't even know that size closet was in there. Dresser drawers at the bottom. When you go in here, you have 2 beds, enough to fit our family of 4. Over here, you have coffee and tea. Under here, you have your refrigerator and some beverages. You have a nice piano in here. Look at this piano, guys. This is pretty dope. You have a nice, at least a 50-inch screen. TV in here that's built into the wall. That's really nice. Over here you have a nightstand. Phone to call downstairs. Over here you have an air filter in every room, so your air is clear. And the room, it's kind of like Dubai, where everything's controlled by the iPad. That was a boat that went off, guys. So I'll show you. Over here, look, they left us some chocolate. Welcome gift. And then out here, you have the balcony. So you hear boats, that's what you guys just heard. Overlooking the water and the city. I'm sure this is gonna be really nice at night. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like tonight too. You have a nice balcony seating area where you can have food. And again, you guys, we're at the Mesm in Tokyo. This is a really nice hotel, you guys. I suggest it. We're only here for a night, but man, I'm blown away by how nice it is. All right, you guys, see you guys at the next one. Take care.